The idiom "get the ball rolling" is commonly used in various situations to indicate starting or initiating a process, activity, or project. It implies taking the first step to get things moving. Here are some situations where this idiom can be used along with examples. Starting a meeting. Example, let's get the ball rolling by discussing the agenda for today's meeting. Launching a new project. Example, now that the funding is secured, we can get the ball rolling on the new product development. Organizing an event. Example, we need to start planning the conference. Who wants to get the ball rolling on venue options? Initiating a team activity. Example, the team building exercise will be a great way to boost morale. I'll get the ball rolling and schedule it for next week. Implementing a new process. Example, to improve efficiency, let's get the ball rolling on the new workflow system. Beginning a training session. Example, before we dive into details, let's get the ball rolling with a quick icebreaker activity. Kickstarting a fundraising campaign. Example, with the generous donation we received, we get the ball rolling on the charity fundraiser. Starting a group discussion. Example, topic for today's debate is climate change. Who would like to get the ball rolling with an opening statement? Commencing a decision-making process. Example, we have gathered all the necessary information. Now it's the time to get the ball rolling on making a final decision. Initiating a brainstorming session. Example, to generate new ideas, let's get the ball rolling with a quick brainstorming session. Note, this idiom is figurative and doesn't involve an actual ball. It's just a colorful way to expressing the need to start or take action on something. Thank you.